Assuming you're searching for BITGERT cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of BITGERT, BRISE, will go from here on out, as opposed to prevalent thinking, we will dissect the genuinely past costs of BITGERT, BRISE, and will truly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities in a quite enormous manner. Kindly remember that you want to, for the most part, take this expectation, and each in every practical sense, utter forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also anticipating something so amazing most certainly is totally incomprehensible, which is very critical. Yet, we will especially make an honest effort. How about we start, or so they thought. BITGERT past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of BITGERT is $0.00000026, and BRISE is presently in every way that really matters, positioned number 190 in the all things considered whole crypto biological system. The course supply of BITGERT generally is 395,688,215,721,653, with a market cap of $103,684,343 in an unpretentious manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 6.8% in its essentially current worth. On the off chance that we truly look at the sort of current market cap of the BRISE with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap is likewise down in a significant manner. BITGERT in every way that really matters is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins. The BRISE basically is down to nearly 26.57% over the most recent 7 days. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past especially couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of BRISE diminished by 46.523%, killing an incredible normal amount of $0.00000023 from its ongoing worth, or so they thought. This unexpected down implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a buy in large great. Generally purchase a potential open door for kind of fast venture. We anticipate future BITGERT cost expectations BRISE figure by applying profound essentially man-made brainpower, helped specialized examination on the past value information of BITGERT. We truly do are very awesome to gather most extreme verifiable information for the BRISE coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like in every practical sense, past value, BITGERT market cap, BITGERT volume, and not many by and large more in a quite huge manner. Assuming you by and large are focusing on sort of put resources into advanced digital forms of money, and need especially great profit from especially your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. BITGERT Value Expectation 2023. The cost of BITGERT is anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0.00000034 in 2023. Incredibly, the BITGERT cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00000035 all through 2023, which basically is very huge. BITGERT Value Expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BRISE, in 2024, the cost of BITGERT is explicitly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.00000051. The BRISE cost can essentially arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.00000060, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00000053. BRISE value figure for 2025. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of BITGERT is supposed to sort of reach at a kind of least value worth of $0.00000077. The BRISE cost can generally arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.00000089, with the kind of typical worth of $0.00000079, or so they for the most part thought. BITGERT, BRISE, Value Expectation 2026 BITGERT cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.00000114 in 2026 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the BRISE cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very most extreme conceivable degree of $0.00000134, with the typical estimate cost of $0.00000118. BITGERT Value Expectation 2027. The cost of BITGERT fundamentally is most certainly anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $0.00000168 in 2027. The BITGERT cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000201, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00000174 all through 2027 in a significant manner, which certainly is genuinely huge. BITGERT Value Expectation 2028. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2028, the cost of BITGERT truly is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.00000244 in a huge manner. The BRISE cost can really arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.00000290, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00000253. BITGERT, BRISE, Value Expectation 2029. The cost of one BITGERT is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.00000340 in 2029. The BRISE cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.00000422, with the sort of typical cost of $0.00000350 all through 2029. In an unobtrusive manner, BITGERT Value Gauge 2030. The cost of BITGERT is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.00000522 in 2030. The BITGERT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.00000595, with the typical cost of $0.00000539 all through 2030. BITGERT, BRISE, Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of BRISE, in 2031, the cost of BITGERT most certainly is gauged to really be at around a base worth of $0.00000780. The BITGERT value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.0